Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize all-in-one SEO to connect to Search Console, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize all-in-one SEO to connect to Search Console, first, log into your WordPress dashboard. Next, navigate to the all-in-one SEO menu on the left sidebar. Select the General Settings option. Scroll down to the Webmaster Settings section. Locate the Google Search Console field. Click on the provided link to access Google Search Console. If prompted, log into your Google account associated with your website. Choose the property for the website you want to connect. Once selected, click on the Settings icon. Navigate to the Users and Permissions option. Click on the Add User button. Enter your website's name as it appears on All-in-One SEO. Set the permission level to full. Now, click on that Add button to save. Return to your WordPress dashboard. In the All-in-One SEO settings, find the Google Search Console field again. You should see a prompt to authorize access. Click on Authorize. You might be redirected to a Google login page again. Log in if necessary, and then allow the necessary permissions. Once the authorization is complete, you will be redirected back to your WordPress dashboard. Your all-in-one SEO is now connected to Google Search Console. You can verify the connection by checking for any messages in the all-in-one SEO settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.